So let's learn about a little known rule in English, and this is about plurals. So a plural in English usually ends with S, but very often it sounds like Z, like a B, Z. Very often it sounds like Z. Sometimes it sounds like S, but very often it sounds like Z. So, for example, the word on the left is cats, cats. So you hear that S sound? Cats. Yeah. But the word on the right is dogs, dogs. Do you hear it? It's a Z sound. So cats and dogs. Cats and dogs. Cats and dogs. It's there. I'm exaggerating it, but it's really there. Cats and dogs. Okay. So sometimes it sounds like an S, and they're using the snake because the snake goes tss, tss, right? And sometimes it sounds like Z, like a bee buzzing. Bzz. Yeah. So, and the trick is, the throat trick is that if you put your hand on your throat, the Z, the buzz, you can feel vibration. But the S, you don't feel vibration, right? Really, the Z sound has voice. It's your voice, it's your voice, right? Z, but the S sound, So let's try it. Here we go. So the first one is cats, cats. Yeah, cats. And the next one is dogs, 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 dogs. You say it after me. Here we go. So this one is books, books, books. Yeah, hand on the throat, quiet, snake sound, books, books. The next one is cars. Feel it? Cars, cars. That's, even though the letter is S, the sound is Z. Cars, cars. The next one is cups, 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 cups. It's quiet, nothing. Cups. The next one is keys, keys. Do you feel it? Keys, keys. This one is socks, socks. Quiet. Socks. This one is apples, apples, apples. Yeah, apples. There's a Z sound. This one is maps, maps. It's quiet, maps. And this one is bananas, bananas. Yeah, it's there. Bananas, bananas. This one is, oh, the snake. Oh, this is the game. Oh, this is fun. Wait, this is the game. So you're going to hear a word, and you're going to put your hand on your throat like this, and when you hear the word, you tell me, is it a snake? or is it a B? Bzz, bzz. You can feel it. Okay, here we go. The word is birds. 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 Do you feel it? Birds. Yes, it's birds. Z, the B sound. The next one is boots. 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 Is it snake or bee? Boots. It's the snake sound. Boots. Boots. Yeah, no vibration. Boots. The next one is stars. Stars. Snake or bee? Stars. Stars. Yeah, it's the B sound. Stars. 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 This one is cakes. Cakes. Do you feel it? Cakes. No, it's nothing. It's tss. Cakes. Cakes. So that's the snake sound, the S. Cakes. This one is balls. Balls. Say it. Balls. Do you feel it? It's balls. It's the B sound. Bzzz. Balls. Balls. The next one is trucks. Trucks. Is that snake or bee? Trucks. It's the snake sound. S. Trucks. Trucks. Okay. One more beat. Now, this is interesting. Sometimes when you add actually ES to the end of a word, sometimes to make it plural. For example, box is one, and boxes is plural. 2 boxes. Here's an example. Buses. Buses. Do you hear it? Buses. Buses. So the word normally ends with an S, bus. So we can't just add another S, we have to add another syllable. Buses. Buses. And the same with box. Box. Boxes. 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 Very handy. The next one is, the singular one is dish. Dish. And plural is dishes. 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 Singular is watch. Watch. 1, watch. 2, watches. Watches. Plural, watches. Watches. Your ears know it now, okay? So listen for it in normal conversation. Listen if you hear people say boxes, or if you hear people say cars or apples. All right, we'll talk soon. Bye.